welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about the top 3 places you can find money-making leads for your business. And no, we're not talking about social media. We're talking about something completely different. And if you're interested in that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about the top 3 places you can find money-making leads for your business. And no, we are not talking about social media, even though social media is a great way to find leads. But we want to have targeted money-making leads. And so I'm going to share with you the top 3 places you can find leads for your business and stop wasting time with leads that don't lead you anywhere. So I wanted to share those top 3 places, and they've helped me in my business, and hopefully they can help you in your business. So the thing about lead generation, which I find challenging, and I'm sure a lot of people find challenging, is that it can be a big time waster. Not that finding leads is a waste of time, but when it goes nowhere, it feels like a waste of time. So we want to talk about like targeted leads that can generate money in your business. So I wanted to share the top 3 places I've found that have helped me along the years in my businesses that can hopefully help you too in generating more business, more targeted business that will stop wasting your time, especially on Instagram and Facebook. So we're not talking about social media right now. We're talking about different places that you can find leads. So the number 1 place I want to share with you is Indeed. Now, you think about Indeed.com as a place where you can find a job. But as a business owner, as a freelancer, it's a great way to actually generate business for your business. One thing that I've found along the years is that they also post contracts out there as well. And so as a freelancer, as a business, you can find contracts for your business. And honestly, contracts is what you want. You don't want these onesies and twosies, even though there's value in it, because hey, business is business. There's value in everything. But contracts is very valuable. So if you can find a contract on Indeed.com for your graphic design business, for your coaching business, if you're a consultant, you can find all sorts of contracts that's going to feed your business for a long period of time, which is so valuable. So Indeed.com is a great way to generate money-making leads for your business. And not only that, sometimes if you pitch yourself to people that are looking for graphic designers and they're looking to hire people for their business, perhaps you can always pitch yourself as a business that can provide those services to that business as well. Hey, I'm just the type of person, hey, you never know until you ask. Sometimes people think, okay, well, I need to hire a social media strategist instead of outsourcing it to a business. And sometimes if you find you're a coach, a personal trainer, whatever your freelance business is, you can pitch yourself to these businesses that are looking to hire for their business. Sell yourself and sell your services, because sometimes it's better for them to outsource and they just probably didn't even think about it. So as a business, that's a great way to find businesses that are looking for your services and to find contract work for your business. And so number 2, along the same lines as Indeed.com, is Craigslist. And Craigslist is a great resource for you to find business as a solo entrepreneur, as a freelancer, or as a business yourself. Like I said in number 1, sometimes people don't understand the value of outsourcing it to another business to provide services to their business. So if they are looking for someone to hire, perhaps you as a business can pitch yourself and your services to that business that is looking to hire, because you never know until you ask. Because the thing that I've found over the years is that there's nothing wrong with asking. I mean, because if they tell you no, you're in the same position you were before. I'm just the type of person, I don't get hung up on asking questions, because I've been told no over the years so many times that it's just kind of like, okay, you told me no again. So you never know what can come out of pitching yourself. And honestly, as a business, you have to have that kind of mentality of like, hey, this is why you need my services, and this is what I can provide for you. And so you have that mindset, that mentality, then you can go after these businesses that are actually looking to hire, that you can perhaps offer your business services to them. Not only that, there are people on Craigslist that are actually looking for freelancers and things like that. So if you are a freelancer or a business, or you have some sort of service that you offer, that is a great resource for you as a business to find money-making leads. And so number 3 that I want to offer is Fiverr, Fiverr.com. If you haven't heard of Fiverr, then perhaps you've been sleeping under a rock, but I'm just kidding. Not really. But Fiverr is a great resource for generating leads for your business, because people go on there looking for services that you provide. So if you go to Fiverr.com, always get a seller's account, put yourself out there, and people go to that platform looking for your services. So Fiverr.com is a great way to find money-making leads for your business. And Fiverr.com has, I want to say, expanded their horizons a little bit, because I know in the earlier days it was more for like graphic design and things like that, providing like logo design and stuff like that. But now, as they expanded, you can provide services like your coaching services, your consulting services as well. And I even know people do psychic readings on Fiverr.com now, like tarot card readings, all sorts of services. So it's not just for graphic design and artists and things like that. It has expanded to include all sorts of business. And so if you can provide a service of some sort, then you can be on Fiverr.com, pitch your services, and people go there looking for people like you. So Fiverr.com is a great place to find money-making leads for your business. And so that's all I have for today. I wanted to share these top 3 places that are going to generate money-making leads for your business, so you can stop wasting time on Facebook and Instagram, even though honestly there is value in using social media to build and generate leads for your business. But at the same time, expand your horizons and look at these places that are actually looking for people like you, that provide services that you provide. Because sometimes when you go on Facebook or you go on Instagram or you go on different social media platforms, you get a lot of casual users that are just looking for pictures and, to pass the time. But on these places that I just shared with you, they are actually looking for your services. And so it's a great way to generate leads for your businesses. And honestly, leveraging the contracts that are on places like Indeed.com is amazing for your business, because contract work is just, it's a great thing to have, and it gives you a little more stability than onesies and twosies for your business. So if you can utilize the contracts, because there's a search part on Indeed.com where you can find contracts for your business on Indeed.com, then it's a great way to generate money-making leads for your business. So stop wasting your time on different platforms. Go straight to the source and find these money-making leads, because, hey, we're here to make money. We're here to do business. That's what we do. I hope you found these 3 places helpful for your business. If you're not following me on Instagram, I invite you to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Amber, the Sassy Entrepreneur. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel as well. I do videos like this on life as well as business and how we can be more productive and efficient in our lives. So if you're interested in videos like that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, peace.